First exercise, barbell incline bench press. Position yourself on an incline bench set at 30 to 45 degrees. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width and lower it to your upper chest with control. Push the bar back up explosively while keeping your core tight and feet planted for stability. Second exercise, dumbbell incline bench press. Set an incline bench to 30 to 45 degrees. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at chest level and press them upward until your arms are fully extended. Lower the weights slowly, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to protect your shoulders. Third exercise, cable lying chest fly. Lie flat on a bench between two low cable pulleys, grasping a handle in each hand. With a slight bend in your elbows, pull the cables in an arc toward your chest. Then slowly return to the starting position, keeping tension on your pecs throughout. Fourth exercise, barbell decline bench press. Secure yourself on a decline bench. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width and lower it to your lower chest with control. Press the bar upward powerfully, engaging your chest and keeping your core braced throughout. Fifth exercise, Pec-Deck fly. Sit on the Pec-Deck machine with your back flat against the pad, grasping the handles with elbows slightly bent. Bring the handles together in a smooth arc, squeezing your chest at the peak, then slowly return to the starting position. Sixth exercise, chest dips. Grip parallel bars. Lean slightly forward and bend your elbows to lower your body until your chest is just below the bars. Push back up to the starting position, engaging your chest and keeping your shoulders stable.